there, my name is Molly Lynch. I serve as a talent development manager at Coca-Cola Consolidated in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Hi, my name is Katie Dickerson. I'm the Vice President of Sales at iHeartMedia here in the Triad.
Hi everyone, my name is Aaliyah Crump and I am the Campus Recruitment Program Manager for Varonis Systems, Inc.
I think the best way to make your resume stand out is to make it really clean and concise. I always tell students to avoid a lot of colors or graphics because what recruiters are really looking for are keywords that match their job description.
Do clean, simple, straight lines, blurbs about your experience, your skill set, and all of your job opportunities, deployments, and also school history.
I feel like what's most important is your experience, whether it's in the classroom or out in the field, and then also making sure that your contact information is correct so that recruiters can reach you.
The question or the statement, "Tell me about yourself," is a really important tee-up for candidates. We really want to know who you are and what are some key things about you that make you stand out as a candidate. So I always encourage students to have that elevator pitch at the ready.
I always ask, how do you work well under pressure? And I feel like that is the most telling. So seeing how people respond to high pressured situations is something that usually indicates to me if they can do well in the position that I'm recruiting for.
And I like to ask all my candidates, what motivates you? In the positions that we're hiring for, which are outside sales executives, you have to be motivated.
I really like when a candidate says, is there anything on my resume that we didn't discuss today that you'd like to go back to? That really gives time for people in the interview to reflect back on anything that we've missed or maybe some questions we had about your experience. And that really helps us tie up and close out any loose ends that we have.
I love the question for candidates to ask me is, what is the culture of iHeartMedia? iHeartMedia has a great diverse culture. We really pride ourselves here in the Triad. We have a work-life balance, and we really pride ourselves on that as well.
I love when students ask me about our values, our culture, and about the day-to-day. I think more questions about what they'll actually be doing is what I typically look for instead of just like the general ones about like salary or location.